and homogametic, the male as well as the female. Now, in this particular case, when we said this, simultaneously, we all of us know that we are having 46 chromosomes. We have 46 chromosomes. Of these 46 chromosomes, of these 46 chromosomes, 44 are said to be autosomes. जो अपने vegetative characters है ना, a pair of eye, a pair of ear, pair of limbs, hind limbs, forelimbs, head, everything, whatever we have common, whether it is a boy or a girl, we have some common characters. These common characters, in turn, we say are said to be your vegetative or somatic characters. These somatic or the vegetative characters are controlled by means of autosomes. These somatic or the vegetative characters are controlled by means of autosomes. So the screen for me is appearing very small. I cannot see myself. Whether the students are able to see, I'm not sure. एक कोने में गया वो.
मिस दिख रहा है.
You can see it clear?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it has come enlarged. Okay, okay. Now there are 44 autosomes. That is somatic or vegetative. You all must have seen when a small child is there while traveling and all that. अभी तो खैर lockdown है. But you all must have seen when you are going for parties or traveling and all that, in the train or buses, you all see small children and all such thing. वो लड़की हो या लड़का हो, कोई भी ड्रेस पहनो, लड़की को भी लड़की का फ्रॉक वगैरह पहना हो तो it will look like a girl only. लड़की को लड़कों का ड्रेस पहना हो तो they look like a boys only. So you are not able to make out. So immediately you will ask the concerned person, whosoever जिसके पास बच्चा था, क्या है, बेटी है कि बेटा है? Why so? Because you don't want to say wrong gender for them. You don't want to denote a wrong gender for them. That is the reason why you are asking whether it is a girl or a boy. When we are small, all the characters are there with us. Right from day one, when we are born, the characters are there. But they are not functional at that time. So we look like similar only. Whether it is a girl or a boy, we look similar. Why? Because of the vegetative or the somatic characters. Whether you consider yourself, you consider me, you consider XYZ person. हाथ है, पैर है, आंख है, मुंह है, नाक है, सर है, बाल है, सब सिमिलर है. Structure, size, shape, ये वो थोड़ा वेरी होता है, that is different, but it is there. So these characters in turn we call it as vegetative or the somatic characters. These somatic or the vegetative characters are controlled by means of 44 autosomes, but nothing but 22 pairs of autosomes. जोड़ी में रहते हैं वो 22 pairs, whereas the sex chromosomes are one pair or two sex chromosomes. One pair, X and Y together or X and X together. That means two sex chromosomes are there. Now, in my case, what is happening? My parent P1, myself, I am considering myself only, a female, gets married to a male. Now we definitely know the genotype of the female. It will be 44AAXX. Yes or no? Whereas of male will be 44AAXY. Autosomes है वो जोड़ी में है, इसके लिए मैंने 44 लिखा है. 44AAXX because it's a female. यहाँ पे मेल है, that is 44AAXY. Now, the gametes produced by me will be only of one type, 22AX. Yes or no? Whereas the gamete produced by my partner will be 22AX, one type, 22AY, another type. Do you all agree? The F1 generation will be first problem, that is this, that is 44AAXX. And the second one could be this 44AAXY. So this is nothing but the female child, and this is nothing but the male child. Correct? So that's why we say when the female is pregnant, either she will deliver a baby boy or a baby girl. Chances of occurrence of both of them are 50%. The ratio is 1:1. Agreed? Depending upon if the Y sperm is hitting the ova, then you get the male. और ऐसा रूल नहीं है मेरे को पहली बार बेटी हो गई तो दूसरी बार बेटा होएगा, ऐसा नहीं है. दूसरी बार भी बेटी हो सकती है. मेरे को पहली बार बेटा हो गया तो दूसरी बार बेटी होगी, ऐसा भी कोई रूल नहीं है. It is which sperm is hitting the ova, on that basis it is. Is that clear? So even if my partner is getting married 10 times, if he is producing a female only, what a big deal. Getting divorced, killing, doing all such things and throwing the female out is of no use, because the fault is with you only. And mother-in-law is away, then too she will do it. Because they want the male child to run in the next generation. They need a male child to run in the next generation. Correct?
Then why they don't adopt?
What they will adopt?
Male child if they want male only.
हाँ, तो मेल चाइल्ड चाहिए तो हर एक जन बोलेगा ना हम लोग का खून चाहिए. आज खून का रिश्ता जो भी होता है ना, इफ यू गो टू सी लोकल आल्सो एवरीवेयर द न्यूज़ व्हिच आर लिसनिंग, वो खून का रिश्ता भी आपको दगा दे जाता है. तो ये तो पराया खून है, वो कौन सा है, सही है गलत है, किसको पता.
Yes.
तो फिर so many stories you have not heard of. What father is killing the son, son is killing the father, son is killing his own brother property के लिए. खून खून आपस को मारता है ना, no, पैसा. Yes or no? So many people are there. Only one child. Bolo, only one child for the parents. Staying in America, got married, having kids, telling the father, Papa, why you are staying here alone? Come along with us. You will be playing with the kids and all such things. Dispose of your property. दादर पे रहता था 2 BHK का फ्लैट में. Property dispose करवाया फादर से. वो पैसा खुद का बैंक में ट्रांसफर किया. वो लोग को खाली दिखाया टिकट एंड वीजा वगैरह उनके नाम का. एयरपोर्ट पे लाके छोड़ दिया वो लोग को. बोलो अभी वो माँ बाप का दुआ निकलेगा, बद दुआ निकलेगा. सोचो आप, खुद का जमा हुआ बेटा पैसे के लिए. Ultimately, you know, today or tomorrow the money is going to be with him only, na? But why he did in the early case? Now they neither had the roof also to stay. At least they were staying in their own house. अभी तो छत भी गया, एयरपोर्ट पे छोड़ के निकल गया वो. फिर my dear, when this comes na money in picture, people are crazy. ये आज का जो लॉकडाउन हुआ है ना, it is good thing, one which has happened.
Ma'am, just
basically everyone is bonding started actually.
Hello.
Okay. Now, Haji.
Yeah, ma'am. Shubha, can you unmute yourself, please?
What happened?
No, ma'am. Somebody in chat is using the kind of language which is absolutely not acceptable. I'm going to kick them out. They can go study somewhere else.
Who's that?
Shubha.
Shubhar, what happened? What you are using? Speak out. Unnecessary. Don't do that, my dear. I'm making her understand in a simple language why this happens. You are saying adoption. Adoption is also not that easy to take a word में.
This person won't be allowed
Too many
inside.
papers
Yeah, ma'am. You can carry on.
Okay. Chalo. Let's go further. Now, you have to know the difference between the two of them, autosomes and sex chromosomes. Autosomes are 44 pairs. I'm not doing anything new. Sex chromosome is 1 pair. Am I right? Am I right, my dear? Sleeping?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And it's your left and right. It is not 40, it is 22 pairs.
Chromosomes.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
22 लिखेगी ना?
हाँ.
हाँ, तो सो रहे थे इतनी देर. Next, or it will be 44 24 chromosomes. Here it will be 2 chromosomes. Here all of them are homozygous. Sorry, homologous. Here they are homologous or heterologous because they may be similar or they may be dissimilar. Correct? Either it could be XX or it could be XY. So either it could be homologous or it could be heterologous. Here all of them are homologous. Now these autosomes are controlling the vegetative or somatic characters. Whereas sex chromosomes are controlling the sexual characters. At the earlier stage, they are controlling only the sex organs ka characters, which are non-functional. Later on, as maturity is coming, these sex organs start getting matured, and they will start showing the secondary sexual characters, depending upon the hormones. Correct? So this is pertaining to the autosomes as well as the sex chromosomes distinguishing. 22 pair, 1 pair, 44 in number or 2 in number. They are always homologous. They may be heterologous or homologous. They are helpful for controlling the vegetative or the somatic characters. They are helpful for controlling the sexual characters. Is it clear? They do not indicate the sex of the child. They do not indicate the sex of the child. They are helpful to indicate the sex of the child. Correct? Now go one step further. Then you have next 2 chromosomes, X and Y. Correct? X chromosome, it indicates the femaleness. Y chromosome, maleness. It has to be always homologous, similar. This will be heterologous. Correct? On the basis of which X and Y. X chromosome is elongated, whereas Y chromosome is short. Now I'm adding something. X chromosome shows X-linked characters. Y chromosome shows Y-linked characters. Sankit sir? Sankit sir, will we
Yes,
get
ma'am.
20 to 30 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes now?
Sorry?
Are we going to get 20 to 25 minutes continuation?
Ma'am, we have up till 1:15 this if you want. We can take another 20 minutes, yeah.
The link will be there till 1:15, no?
1:50. You can carry on for the next 20 minutes.
Okay, then, okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, we are going towards the X link. My dear friends, please pay attention very carefully. All of you all pay attention. It is very important in the boards also. X-linked characters. The characters which are present on the X chromosome. This is your X chromosome, supposing. This is another X chromosome. The same way, this is Y chromosome. Can you see? This is X, this is X, this is X, this is Y. So this is a female child and this is the male child ka chromosomes. Okay? Now, if you all try to see the characters, I'm saying X-linked characters. The X-linked characters are always recessive characters. Means to make their appearance, they have to be present in double dose. Correct? So if both the X chromosomes will be showing a particular character, supposing I put this dot over here on one chromosome, it will not show any effect on me because it is there only on one chromosome, the other one is there to suppress it. Correct? But had this been there on both the chromosomes, yes, it would have been visible in me. But if this is there only for the male, one chromosome, even if it is present in single dose, it will make its appearance. क्योंकि suppressing के लिए यहाँ पे दूसरा partner नहीं है. करेक्ट हो? सप्रेसिंग के लिए यहाँ पे दूसरा पार्टनर नहीं है, इसके लिए उसमें रंग जमा के दिखाएगा वो. This X-linked character in turn, you have a disease. We have a disease named as color blindness. Correct? This disease color blindness is, now this I know it is a red pen. I know this is a green pen. I know this is a purple pen. I know this is a pink pen. Correct? I can identify the colors. Correct? Now, since I am able to identify the colors, I am taking parent. I myself am a parent, you can say parent P1. That is a female getting married to a person, my partner. I wear a particular dress and I ask him, how is this color looking on me? Yeah, every color suits you. I'll tell him, can I take this color? Yeah, no problem. You go ahead with the color. No problem. Why? Because all the colors were appearing gray to my partner. But he never told me that. He never told me that they are appearing gray to me. I used to ask him, how is this color suiting me or no? Yeah, it is suiting you. What about this color? It is suiting me. Yeah, this also suits you very well. It goes very nice with your complexion. But for him, it was very difficult. Why? Because he was not able to identify the red and green color also. For them, both the colors were gray. That means he was colorblind. But he never told me that he's a colorblind. So my partner, who is a colorblind partner. So male partner. Now genotype. I am the normal one. That is, I'm not writing 44AA. For easy understanding, I'm just writing XX. 44A is understood, okay? Now, my partner is X raised to C. Be careful over here. And Y. My partner is colorblind. But he never told me. Both the colors were appearing gray to him. Any color you show, it was appearing gray to him. वो identify नहीं कर सकता था colors because he was and he never told me. Since he has not told me, so I cannot make out. I just assumed a male person is that way. I have written it because I wanted to write the genotype. Now gamete. One only will be over here. The partner will be X raised to C and Y. Our children, X raised to C, a female child. Second child would be XY, that is a male child. This male child will be normal. Correct? This daughter, she was not able to identify, she was not able to tell me anything about that because I was not able to understand also. The reason behind that, she was telling me red color, she was telling me green color, she was telling me purple color, she was telling me pink color, colors wise she was able to identify it. Why was I able to identify it? Because there is another X chromosome which is suppressing that character. Correct or no? Because this particular C character is a recessive character. Another X chromosome is suppressing it. So she was appearing to be normal, or she's a normal female. Appearance wise, as she is able to identify the colors. This normal female is getting married to a normal male, not this male. This male is a brother. Another normal male she's getting, that female is getting married to. So I'm taking now parent P2. That is F1 female getting married to normal male. नहीं बताने का तरीका देखो पार्टनर का क्या हालत होता है आगे. Then genotype. This female is having the genotype, you know already this one, because F1 female है ना. ये F1 ये female ये वाला आएगा ना. Yes or no? X raised to C. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now normal male. Normal male, you know it is XY. Correct? You have to see the gametes. Either gamete I will not write once only. I'll get two different things. One is normal X, one is X raised to C. Correct? Whereas here it will be X and here it will be Y. Make a checkerboard. X, Y, X raised to C. You all know very well male and female. Agreed? So first one will be normal female. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one will be XY normal male.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Third one will be X raised to C. कुछ गड़बड़ घोटाला है इसमें. And the fourth one will be X raised to
XC.
Y. So this is colorblind male. This is colorblind male. Yes, na?
Yes.
Okay. And this is the female who has carried the gene. My daughter. This was me. This was my partner who never informed me anything. Correct? My daughter got it. It went from male to female, father to daughter, and then to grandson. Means it is forming a pattern of zigzag or crisscross or indirect inheritance. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It was there in my partner. उसने बताया नहीं मुझे अंधेरे में रखा. जब भी पूछो कलर अच्छा लगता है, हाँ अच्छा लगता है. उसको सब कलर ग्रे दिखता था, लेकिन उसने बोला नहीं मेरे को. लेकिन वो मेरे को जमा के रंग दिखाता है बाद में. देखो, how my partner, when the gametes are formed, my son is normal, my female becomes a carrier, my daughter becomes a carrier, my daughter gets married to a normal male. Maybe the first child itself is colorblind, not identifying the colors red and blue, red and green. कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, उसको सब कलर्स ग्रे दिखता है. बचपन में हम लोग को कलर सिखाते हैं ना, मम्मी डैडी, they show us the different color balls, they show us the different colors, and they tell identify the colors. This is yellow, this is red, this is green. तो वो सब कलर को ग्रे बोलेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको कलर आइडेंटिफिकेशन नहीं आता है. That time I come to know that my partner was having this particular thing, because it has gone to my grandchild. It went from male, it came to female, and then went back to male. It is not directly from father to son. It went in a crisscross manner, in a zigzag manner, in an indirect manner. So this X-linked inheritance is called as zigzag inheritance, or it can be called as crisscross inheritance, or it can be called as indirect inheritance. All are one and the same, my dear friends. Do not get confused with the terminology. Teacher, today I am telling you only zigzag. College में teacher आपको बोलेगी crisscross. अरे इसने तो zigzag बोला था, ये crisscross बोलती है, गड़बड़ है किधर तो भी, कौन तो भी गलत है. करेक्ट. और टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखा है इनडायरेक्ट, तो तीनों गलत है. अभी कौन सा सही है? तीनों सही है अपने हिसाब से. It's up to them how they present it. Is it clear? On the same lines, we have another one. On the same line, so I'm not preparing once again. ये color blind का था ना, अभी मैं hemophilic character लेती हूँ दूसरा. Hemophilic characters. Hemophilic में क्या होता है? ये जनरली रॉयल फैमिलीज में होता है. इसमें क्या होता है ना, ब्लड क्लॉटिंग नहीं होता है. अपना जो अपने को लगता है, when you're sharpening a pencil with the help of a blade or something, or last year when you have taken the sections for the section cutting TS of sunflower stem or maize stem, you must have got the cut by means of the blade. खून निकलता है थोड़ी देर, वो धीरे धीरे करके बंद हो जाता है, क्लॉटिंग होता है उधर. लेकिन ये रॉयल फैमिलीज में होता है ना, हेमोफिलिक कैरेक्टर जब भी आएगा तो ब्लड का क्लॉटिंग नहीं होता है, वो निकलते 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 जाएगा और इंसान स्वाहा हो जाता है. So this particular disease is observed again in the case of males only. It is very rare in females. It's very rare in females. It is observed in males only. Why? Because it is a recessive character. It is present on the X chromosome only. Now, a female normal one gets married to a hemophilic male. I'm writing it over here only. Just C second character. C को हटा देने का है, अभी H आएगा. Or you all want me to do it again?
No, ma'am, it's okay.
It's okay. I can do it again also, for me, no problem. But you all will get the idea. It's one and the same. That's why I'm keeping it together. Agreed? Now, when this particular male is getting married to a female, the carrier female is having H instead of C. that carrier female is getting married to a normal male, I can get a hemophilic male over here. Yes or no? Rest of them will be normal only. Same way.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
the
ma'am.
entire thing is same. Only जिधर हम लोग ने x raised to c डाला था उधर x raised to h डाल दिया है. फर्क समझ में आया? कोई चीज अलग से नहीं कर रहे हो आप. हीमोफीलिया का कैरेक्टर आया तो आप यही चार्ट बनाना है, लेकिन C की जगह पे H डालना है. कलर ब्लाइंडनेस का आया तो H की जगह पे C आएगा, और कुछ नहीं है डिफरेंस इनमें. If I do it second time, you always say, "Arey Baba, again to do it, again do that." No, nothing of that sort. Now, can you ever get a colorblind female or a hemophilic female? Now let's see that part. I am taking a parent P1. Parent P1, that is a carrier female. I am able to identify the colors. So normal female, chalo. Normal female getting married to colorblind male or hemophilic male. Correct? Now, genotype of this parent. Since I am able to identify the colors, red, green, and all such things, but I am a carrier female over here. I am a carrier female, though I am appearing to be normal, but I am a carrier female. So my genotype will be X raised to C or raised to H, hemophilic. I am keeping it together for that reference only. दोनों में से कुछ भी आ सकता है. Correct? Next, getting married to a colorblind or hemophilic male. So X, Y raised to C or H. Either you're taking hemophilia or you're taking colorblind. It's one and the same. Correct or no? I'm doing only once, that's why. Now go to the next one. Gametes. One gamete will be X. Another gamete will be X raised to C or raised to H. Whatever you're taking into consideration on that basis. Hemophilia का क्रॉस लिया तो hemophiliya आएगा, colorblind का क्रॉस लिया तो colorblind आएगा, and X raised to C or H and normal Y. Yes or no? You all agree with this part? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now first generation, हमारे बच्चे. X raised to C और H, ये एक हो गया गैमेट. Sorry. And Y, ये मेल का हो गया, अभी फीमेल का. I have one X and the other one will be either X raised to C or it may be X raised to H, depending. So this one will be a carrier female again, XX, either raised to C or H. So she is a carrier female. My one daughter is carrier female. Yes or no? My son.
Yes,
is
ma'am.
a normal male. Agreed. Next one. X दोनों पे आ गया है. CC या HH. So this female could be either colorblind female or she could be hemophilic female. Yes or no? ये तो कैरियर था.
Yes, ma'am.
ये नॉर्मल है. ये इधर colorblind female और कैरियर फीमेल, क्योंकि दोनों X क्रोमोसोम पे है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
सप्रेस
Yes,
करने वाला
ma'am.
तो कोई नहीं है. So it is visible over here. And the last one is x raised to c or h. And y. This is colorblind male or hemophilic male. You may say,
Yes,
why
ma'am.
it is not coming in females? It is not coming in females because it is a recessive character. It can come only if a carrier female is getting married to a hemophilic or a colorblind male. और वो भी गारंटी नहीं है फर्स्ट चाइल्ड मेरा नॉर्मल भी हो सकता है, मगर जो भी फीमेल्स होगी मेरी, फीमेल विल बी आइदर अ कैरियर और शी विल बी कलर ब्लाइंड और शी विल बी हीमोफिलिक. मेल्स नॉर्मल आएगा, आइदर दे कैन कम नॉर्मल और इट कुड बी दिस आल्सो. 50% फीमेल्स है 50% मेल्स है वो स्टैंडर्ड है, लेकिन 25% ऑफ द फीमेल्स आर कैरियर, 25% ऑफ द मेल्स आर नॉर्मल, 25% of the males are carrier, colorblind or hemophilic, whatever it is. Whereas 25% of the females may be either colorblind or may be hemophilic.
Ma'am,
Correct? Huh.
ma'am, if the female is colorblind and the male is hemophilic, then they will suppress it or not?
My dear, वैसा हो ही नहीं सकता है ना, दोनों कैरेक्टर साथ में, दोनों कैरेक्टर साथ में नहीं है, कोई भी एक रहेगा. Either it is hemophilic or it is colorblind. X क्रोमोसोम पे इतना जगह नहीं है, जो पार्ट है ना थोड़ा सा पार्ट है जो अलग है, वो इतनी जगह नहीं है उसको अलग अलग रखने के लिए इतना सारा जीन्स. You understood ना?
Okay, ma'am.
करेक्ट. वो आप जो बोल रहे हो एक वो तो बिल्कुल ही होने का चांस नहीं है, बिकॉज द टू विल बी होमोलोगस होना चाहिए ना वो कम से कम. If you are seeing color of the hair, you will be seeing color of the hair only. If you are seeing character for the color of the eye, you will be seeing character for the color of the eye only, na? It's not. These are the two different characters. Color blindness and hemophilia. These are two different characters, my dear. उनका जो लोसा है अलग अलग है. जीन पे जो लोकस है ना उसका लोकेशन क्रोमोसोम पे वो अलग अलग है. I show you together because you can understand it. चीज वही है, लेकिन अगर जो आपको लिखना है तो या तो C लिखो या तो H लिखो. If you're practicing once only, you get the idea of it. That's the reason I have done it once. I've kept the colors also constant for that reason. वही same चीज character forward हो रहा है. Now supposing in the case of normal question was there for us, why it is not coming in females? It is not seen in females because it is a recessive character. To make its appearance, it has to be double dose. A question comes in the boards as color blindness या hemophilia जो भी ले लो, is very rare in females, very rare in females. Give reason. Because color blindness or hemophilia are the recessive characters. Both X chromosome having that recessive character together is not possible. That is the reason why it is very rare in females as compared to that of the males. In males, it is immediately visible. Why? Because males are having one X chromosome, but उसका partner नहीं है उनके पास, ये वाला उनका partner नहीं है. ये अभी हीमोफीलिया का जीन हो गया, ये कलर ब्लाइंडनेस का जीन है, ये हीमोफीलिया का जीन है. करेक्ट. तो वो नहीं है इसके पास, क्योंकि नहीं है इसके लिए वो दिखता नहीं है. अंडरस्टूड. इट इज नॉट एबल टू सप्रेस इट. उसके एक्स क्रोमोसोम पे जाएगा तो इधर ये कलर ब्लाइंड का आएगा, इधर ये जीन का पोजीशन आ गया हीमोफीलिया का. एग्री. अलग अलग पोजीशन है, इसके लिए वो साथ में नहीं जाएगा वैसा. ठीक है. Is it clear? Very clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can we go for direct inheritance? One small cross is there.
Ma'am,
Holandric
there are
gene.
three minutes remaining in this meeting. Then I have to make another.
हो जाएगा वो, हो जाएगा. Holandric genes. This is generally present on the Y chromosome. And it is said to be a direct inheritance. X chromosome वाला indirect था. Male to female and back to male. ये direct है. I am taking parent. ये character disease नहीं है, ये character है. Female XX getting married to male. Genotype of female XX. Genotype of male XY. यहाँ पे देखो मैं होलैंड्रिक जीन लिख रही हूँ H. Correct? Gamete. X का gamete is this. Male का gamete is this. F1 generation, female, male. It went directly from father to son. You must have seen your grandparents or some old persons in your building and all that things. On the ear,
Yes.
pinna, जो कान है ना, उसके ऊपर बाल होते हैं उनका. That
Yes, ma'am.
phenomena is by Volantric genes called as hypertrichosis. It directly goes from father to son. Daughter is no way concerned in between. Female is no way concerned. So this particular inheritance is said to be direct inheritance. That is Y-linked inheritance. X-linked inheritance was indirect, zigzag, crisscross. This is direct. Okay? So this is what is pertaining to the two crosses, the two linked inheritances. Now next time we have to do something pertaining to ploidy level. Agreed? So whenever, if possible, maybe Monday, Tuesday, whenever sir gives a lecture, we are going to do that. But in the meantime, please try to do those blood groups which sir has already sent you. And this also I am sending it to Sanket sir right now. Practice it once only. Maybe पूरा page आपका जाता है notebook का. But clearly ये practice करो and just find out whether you are getting this way dominating characters and recessive characters.
Okay.
Get guide.
Directly inherit.
That is this quantitative one. If you want all the things I should send or what? You want all screenshots?
No, it would help.
Yes, ma'am.
Which ones?
Oh, everything.
Right from beginning?
Ma'am, starting, ma'am.
Which one?
Ma'am,
Today's
everything
part.
done from the beginning will do. Just like photographs of it, nothing more.
Okay, I just click the photographs and send it across. Okay.
All right. ma'am.
I'll do that.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Also, warning to all
Thank
the
you.
people who are using the chat as per their own will. Please do not do that anymore. I'll kick you out forever. Thank you. Thank you so much, everybody.